There's no hills, hardly any windy roads. So I don't know. It is amazing that I ended up here. But it's a good change of scenery, that's for sure. It's a good change of scenery. The hills have eyes. Yes, in Appalachia especially. Good morning. Oh my. Yeah, anything working at Disney or whatever would be terrible to me. Thank you. Good morning. Did I move to be near my parents? Yes and no. Like, my mom is only 63. So she's not old. Her husband's a little bit older than that, but his kids have lived here for a long time. I think he actually moved here because his kids lived here. He's originally from like Hudson Valley, New York. But like that's part of the reason I chose Florida is because my mom lives here. It made it like an easier move than just picking a random place where I don't know anyone at all. At least I know my mom. And my brother visits here often. My brother still lives in Pittsburgh with his 4-year-old son. So they visit here often. Anyway, I don't know, it just seemed like an easy place. Nice, peaceful weekend for sure. How about you? Yeah, I swear. I guess I brought my own hills and curves. Couldn't pass that up, right? Rose asks, how am I so confident with my body? She really wants to know because she spammed the question like 5 times. How are you so confident with your body when women on social media post the perfect pictures? They're not real. I don't know what you want. Like, this is all real, all natural. A real 44-year-old woman with no Botox. I don't know what you want from me. If you don't like it, just keep going. Only because she asked 5 times. Good morning.